Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video we are going to discuss how we add a numbering in our PDF file. It's easy to add in the Word file but it's complex like how we add a PDF file, numbering the PDF file. So this is my PDF file but you can see there is the no numbering in that PDF file but I need it. So how I can do it? For this simply you need to go to the Google Chrome. Here you need to type I love PDF. Just click on this website, click on this, and here we have an option to add a pages number. Click on this page number, select the file. This is my file. We need to add a number on this, and here you can see we can also set the location and the position. Like I want number in the middle, and these are my total 4 pages. Just add numbers here. Now I need to download from here. Just simply download, and here we need to see the results. Here you can see numbering is added at the middle, and numbering is added in all the 4 pages. So how we can do this with other website? By following these simple steps. To get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye. Take